Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you my Air King box fan that I bought at yard sale last week, and and this fan what I bought. Okay, I'll show you. See here, I got repainted in the blue color because I like blue. The color of the body was gray, but it was scratched up here inside. Here was rusty. There's white spot that my dad painted in order to cover those rust spots here. This has been painted entirely blue. Here's the switch. And you see how that there? Here. And here's a carry handle, but I don't get why they don't use the same carry handle like they're doing the Alaska Weather Shield box fans, which I don't get. But see, it used the older style blade set than what you see in the Alaska box fans. I don't get why it's noisy, but it's kind of a little noisy because it moves too much air, a lot of air. And I ordered the motor, because of the motor, I guess. And this fan was in horrible condition when I bought it. It was extremely disgusting, dirty. So it took days to clean up. And this fan used a 3-prong power cord instead of a 2-hole. And let me show you this fan running. On all the speeds, it does move tons of air for a box fan of modern day. Time to turn on. Here's high. And let's see how long this spin down will take, because it has a very long spin down.
During the summer spectacular, get F-150 with no money down and no interest for 5 years, or lease for just $199 a month. Hurry to your Quality Plus Ford store. Your life is always in motion. Don't let injury bring it to a halt.
Well, that's very long spin down anyways, but it's a commercial grade fan, and it was made by Alaska as well. So overall, that's my Air King box fan. Goodbye.